Today we are going to do a SucculentBox succulent subscription unboxing, and this is so cute. We just got it in the mail, and so we're just going to show you what's inside. But before we do, this is Diana and Janet with Two Moms Review, and if you're new to this channel, please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and hit the subscribe button.
The Succulents box comes with these cute 4 little succulents. They're tiny. They're really pretty though. And you can get them coming every month, every 3 months, every 6 months, or every 12 months. They said you can cancel anytime. They also have individual plants for sale and pots on their website. We'll put a link in the video description.
So here it is, the final product. We just put it all in one pot, and succulents are so cute. I'm not like a huge botanist, like I don't really know a ton about plants, and so we're gonna see if we can keep this thing alive. I don't have a green thumb, and the nice thing about succulents is they're easy maintenance, but they're so cute. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, just remember to give this video a thumbs up and check out their website. They've got tons of selection.
If you have any questions about this succulent subscription service, leave them in the comments and we'll answer them. Thanks.
Thanks.